3 tips to fix your cheat 720 kick. So not a full tutorial, I just want to give 3 advices to people who can already do this kind of technique. Before starting, remember that without a specific conditioning of your body and the right stretching of your muscles, you won't be able to kick as good as you want, and you can even get hurt. My first tip is something everybody knows but very few do. I mean, practice your spinning hook kick. I will do a tutorial for this kick very soon, but what I want you to understand today is that if you don't practice enough and you kick like this, your 360 will be worse, and your cheat 720 will be very bad. There are no shortcuts, you need time and practice, because you can't kick properly in the air if your basic kicks aren't good enough. My second tip is try to control your axis. Keep it straight and you will be able to do more than one cheat 720, and the connections between your kicks will be better. Don't lean back too much or you will lose control and the connections will be harder. My third tip is try to lift your non-kicking leg. You can do easily your cheat 720 like this. But if you lift it, it will appear higher, even though your body isn't higher. It is just an impression, you don't need to jump more. Try it and you will notice the difference by yourself. I hope you will benefit from this video. Please let me know. Thanks for watching and see you next time.